Hello and welcome to our channel. Managing payments to contractors can be a breeze with QuickBooks Online. So I'm excited for today's tutorial because we will guide you through the step-by-step process of paying contractors using direct deposit. This will save you time, reduce paperwork, and ensure your contractors get paid accurately and on time. But before we jump into the action, as usual, if you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest adventures. And it will keep you on the loop for future content. And to our returning viewers, welcome back. We appreciate your ongoing support and cannot wait to embark you on this journey with all of you once again. Now let's get right into it. Okay, there are several reasons why paying contractors with direct deposit in QuickBooks will make your business, making the process more efficient and beneficial for both parties involved. Okay, number one, direct deposit eliminates the need for paper checks and, manual distribution, saving time and effort for both the business and the contractors. The payments are processed electronically, reducing the risk of errors often associated with paper checks or manual cash payments. Contractors receive their payments faster, you know, typically on the agreed upon date, improving their cash flow and satisfaction. Contractors do not need physically visit a bank to deposit checks, making the payment process more convenient for them, right? Electronic payments are also secure and reduce the risk of lost or stolen checks, protecting sensitive financial information. Using direct deposit aligns with efforts to reduce paper usage and adopt environmental friendly practices, right? And also, direct deposit payments are automatically recorded in QBO, simplifying record keeping and reducing the risk of manual data entry errors. There are cost savings associated with not printing and mailing paper checks, as we all know, as well as potential savings from reduced errors and fraud. So, in general, both the business and contractors can easily track and verify payment transactions, enhancing transparency and trust in the payment process itself, right? Okay, so if you've watched some of our videos in the past, once again, we have a limited account, so we cannot access the payroll itself. But what we can do is walk you through the process of enabling direct deposit for contractors in QuickBooks Online, okay? So before you can pay contractors with direct deposit, you'll need to set up this feature in QuickBooks Online, all right? You will be needing their bank information securely stored in QuickBooks Online. So on top of that, we all we're gonna do is here, all I gotta do is go to expenses and suppliers. You should actually see a vendors list here, but since we have a limited account, we cannot see it. But if you have your contractor information set up, you can easily create the payments. And the QBO makes it very easy to pay contractors via direct deposit. And before finalizing your payments, it is very important to review all the details to ensure accuracy. And QBO will give you a clear overview of your contractor payments, right? And then after that, make sure to check all the information. And once you are done, that's it. And once again, if you like the video, thank you for joining us today. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider liking and subscribing and sharing with others who might benefit from this link. And as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. I love reading all your comments and I appreciate all the warm feedback that we're getting, and it helps to make our small community grow bigger in each and every day. So big shout outs to our loyal viewers and subscribers for sharing the link to their friends, family, and colleagues. And I can never thank you enough, guys. These are the reasons why we're doing this video, to help people who wanted some financial tips and QuickBooks solution. And see you in the next video. Thanks.